In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to locate your iPhone using another iPhone device. Whether you've forgotten your phone somewhere or suspect theft, this process will enable you to react quickly and pinpoint your lost device. Keep reading to learn how to make use of this valuable feature and retrieve your iPhone back into your hands. The first thing you need to do is reach out to a friend, family member, or anyone who has an iPhone device. Then, open the Safari or Google Chrome browser. Now, in the browser, type in iCloud, and then click on their official website. You might see that I'm already logged in, but you will log into your Apple ID associated with the iPhone you're trying to locate. Enter your email address and password, and sign in. Various information will be displayed to you, such as iCloud Plus, your photos, Drive, and more. On this list, you'll see the Find My app, so tap on it. You will likely be prompted to log in again. Sign in, and all your devices, including phones, will be shown to you. Once you locate the lost device, simply tap on it on the map, and it will display the exact location where it is situated. This way, you can go there and retrieve it, hoping that it hasn't been stolen. This is a great method to find your device and get it back. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.